Hello, welcome to Spy Money. This is Tuesday, August the 30th, and we're going to look at RTY today. One of our members that's in the SpyBot suite have found some settings that work really well, and then we kind of tweaked them a little bit, run it today, and this is what we come up with. RTY was killing it pretty good. Normally we run our bots, as far as me and a small group of people, we'll usually run them usually from about 6 in the morning until about 11 in the afternoon Eastern time, or 11 in the morning. And the reason we run those times is because we like to catch some of the trades before the open, and then we run it through the open up until 11 o'clock because London shuts down then, so we just shut it down and take the rest of the day off. So usually by 11 o'clock we're all done and settled. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this does. There are some losers in here, some of which would actually have been winners if you would have manually helped the bot. But this is the bot trading only. This is no help whatsoever. So on this one, we have winners right through here. We have a little loser, and it gets out for a very small loss. Same with these right here. And this one, if you were manually trading that, there's no way you would allow that stop to go up there. You would have had your stop down here. You had about $150 or $175 right here that you could have picked up at the bottom. So, just think you probably could have got at least $100 out of it. You got to stop there. Most of these, and it depends on how you trade. If you have the balance and the zones indicators on your chart, that will help you find areas of support and you can move your profit targets to them. But again, this is untouched. It's what you want to see. You want to be able to turn the bot on, not fool with it, and see what happens. Now, this is one contract too, the contract of $500. So, you multiply it by whatever you would trade. I usually trade between 5 and 10 contracts on RTY. So this would have been quite a bit more for my trading. Now this is starting at 6 o'clock. As you can see, there's plenty of trades in here that would have worked out. Even these right here, all of these through here would have all been winners for the profit targets that we look for on RTY. And if you go back in the evening, evening time would be, the session opens about here. You would have missed this because it's yesterday's session, but you would have got this one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, one loser, so that'd be 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you would have had 6 winners right there on top of this if you'd run it the whole session. We go for $200 profit on our RTY. That's our setting we go for, and some of them, like this one here, almost got it. This was about $175, but it actually stopped out because the bot traded it. Now, we have rules that we follow whenever we're trading. Whether you're manually trading or you're manually trading the bot, use the bot for the entry, and then you kind of control a little bit. So a lot of these would have made more, and some of them would have made lost less. So those numbers can be skewed a little bit, but in this situation, the bot did it all, and this is the times that we usually run. Going back through here, we would have had several winners. There have been some losers in here too. There's a lot of chop. We don't trade chop, and we know how to get away from that. So on this one right here, we have, I guess there's, this had been a winner, and that would have been a loser, a winner. So that would have been 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. So you kind of go through here with this chop through here. This afternoon it didn't do very well whatsoever, none whatsoever. And then when it went on through the rest of the day, then it, I don't know on this one right here, but as far as up to this point right here, it actually has done very well. When it went to, as far as this afternoon, we'll have to wait and see how it will play out. We shut it off right here, and the reason we shut it off is because London shuts down. When London shuts down, your volume will just kind of fizzle out. As you can see right here, that's what happens. If you look at it daily, that's what you'll see. So on this one, we're at 1,039.72, and that is pretty good on a $500 investment. So If you have any questions about the bots, please let me know. You can do that by going up here and checking out the SpyBot suite. When you click on that, it'll go down and you can lease it right here. So when you lease that, remember, you don't just get the bots, you get all the indicators, you get live trading, live training, and you also get our Discord. So our Discord is where we do most everything. Tonight we're doing a live training at 8 o'clock. Another indicator that I've introduced that will go to all the members for free. And as long as you lease the SpyBot suite, you get all the indicators. So I made another one that will actually help you find the reversals ahead of time. And we're going to introduce it tonight and show everybody how it works. If you want to talk to me, just go up here to the contact. When you go to that, go down here, put in your name, phone number, email, message. Let me know what questions you have. Or if you need to talk to me, want to have a more interactive, then you can do that. Just put your phone number in and I'll give you a shout and we can go from there. Funded accounts, does it work on funded accounts? Absolutely. So if you go in here, you can click these and check them out. You can get some discounts on these 2 funded accounts. They work real well, and as far as with the bot, they work real well. So you can put that on there. If you don't have the money to put in a decent account, then you can do the funded. Again, contact me up here and the SpyBot suite there. If you have any questions whatsoever, let me know. I'm here to help you. And once you get signed up, there is a lot of videos that you need to watch. Right now we're running the Sweet Scalper, so if you just zone in on the Sweet Scalper, learn this one right here, then you can learn the others as we go. Right now we've got 4 bots. We only use mostly 2, sometimes 3 bots. There's one that we don't really use well. It doesn't produce very well. This is a very good one that produces very well. I mean, if you can take $500 and put it in an account and come out with making $1,000 in a matter of 5 hours, that's pretty good money. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you hopefully in the Discord soon.